So the topic under discussion today is AER, that is annual equivalent rate. Do remind yourself that it's annual. So whatever we are calculating it for 1 year. If you however want to understand the concept behind this, I would strongly suggest to watch Nick's videos, because it's really good and explains it completely. It would take a good 15 minutes, but if you watch it slowly, you will understand the conceptual understanding. So AER is annual equivalent rate. I is the interest rate per year. Okay, so they can give you monthly interest rate. So interest is, calculated monthly. So then you will have to calculate interest rate per year. So if they say interest is calculated monthly, then in order to work out you times the monthly interest rate by 12. N is the number of periods in 1 year. So there are 4, there could be, so they can say if that the interest is compounded monthly. So N would be, how many months are there in 1 year? 12. Interest is paid per week. So there are 52 weeks. So N would be 52. Whatever it is, you work out N, number of periods in 1 year. Even if they're giving you the question which involves more than 1 year, so they say they've deposited the money for 3 years, you will still do all the calculations for AER for 1 year, and then you calculate the interest afterwards. AER is annual, is just for 1 year. Okay, so I am going to show this question, and I've chosen this question because it involves 18 months, and you will see that I've calculated the AER for 1 year. So Steve is depositing 2,000 in an account. It earns compound interest of 0.99% every 3 months. So there are 3 months in 1 year. So the nominal rate, which is I, would be 0.99% times by 4 will give you 3.9%. I am sorry, I forgot the percentage sign. Then you know that for I, you write a percentage as a decimal, so it becomes AER equals to 1 plus 0.0396 divided by 4 to the power 4 minus 1, and it will give you an AER of 4%. Then you times, because it is for 18 months, so there's one year and there's half a year. In 18 months you have 1 whole year and you have half a year. So you times the put the power of AER to 1.5, times it by 2000, and you will get the answer. One more way to do it would be to do it using compound interest. Is 0.99%, so the interest rate is 0.99 divided by 100 is 0.0099, and you add 1 to it, and then to the power of 6, because there are 6 3 months period. Basic compound interest times by 1000, and you will get the same answer. Try doing it that way as well, because sometimes if there's not a question of AER, then you wouldn't be able to think in the AER format, so you should know the compound interest format as well. I'm going to show you another question. So what is a monthly rate to yield AER of 30%? So AER is 30%, which is as a decimal of 0.3. I know that monthly rate is 12. It is just an algebraic manipulation. There was -1, I took it to the other side, it becomes 1.3. There was a 12 to power 12, I took the 12th root. I got I over 12 equals to 0.0221. okay, which if I divide by 100, I will get 2.21%. I over 12 means yearly rate divided by 12, and yearly rate divided by 12 gives you monthly rate. If you still don't understand it, please let me know. I am going to email you questions, answer them, practice them, finish AER today. I will send APR tomorrow.